Now let's talk about the aftermath of Brady and Belichick. He did struggle as an owner. 2020, he started rebuilding. Tom Brady left, and they had to go look for another head coach after Belichick went on, and he's at North Carolina right now. And who did he find? Mike Vrabel, a former New England Patriot who was coached under Belichick and knew what it take to get back to a Super Bowl. He knew the Patriot way. So in Vrabel's first year as a head coach, which we're looking at right now, he's in a Super Bowl. So Kraft, time and time again, has proved that he can turn these teams around. And he's done a really good job. Drake May, in his second year, might be MVP of the league. Mike Vrabel might get coach of the year. And now he set another foundation. And I'm predicting that this New England Patriots team might go all the way for many years to come.